If you are looking for the best room humidifier, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Honeywell HCM 350W Cool Mist Humidifier. Declared the best humidifier by the most experts, the Honeywell HCM 350 features a wide opening that makes it easy to refill and clean, and some parts are even dishwasher safe. The 1-gallon tank can run for a full 24 hours on low, and the unit's germ-free label doesn't mean that it doesn't need regular cleaning and filter replacing. It does. Rather, that the antimicrobial filter removes germs and bacteria from the water before releasing into your home's air. Though some reviewers on Amazon thought the Honeywell was high maintenance. Number 2. URPOWER Second Version Essential Oil Diffuser. If you're looking for an inexpensive 2-in-1 humidifier, one that also functions as an oil diffuser, the URPOWER Essential is a customer favorite. Simply add in a few drops of the essential oil of your choice to disperse the scent throughout the room. This diffuser also has 2 adjustable mist settings and 7 different LED color-changing lights, so you can add even more ambiance to your space. A few customers didn't like that the sensor light couldn't be turned off, but most enjoyed the option for the night light. Number 3. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier. It's not the largest or most powerful humidifier, but this one from TaoTronics does provide the best value for bedrooms up to 320 square feet. The 4-liter tank capacity is big enough to run for 12 to 30 hours before refilling. Its built-in humidistat will inform you of the room's humidity level, and you can then set your desired level, and it will automatically shut off when water runs out. The main appeal of the TaoTronics is its quiet operation that makes it fitting for a small bedroom or baby's nursery. Number 4. Humidifiers TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifiers. Design is important to consider when choosing a humidifier, for it not only determines its visual appeal, but also how well certain functions perform. TaoTronics Cool Mist Humidifier matches a sleek appearance with remarkable functionality, with an extra-large water tank that provides up to 60 hours of continuous mist. Its patented design reduces noise to a quiet 26 dB, while its 360-degree swivel nozzle allows for even mist distribution for rooms up to 430 square feet. Reviewers praise this pick and love how quiet it is, with a tank capacity that allows it to last all night long. Number 5. LEVOIT Humidifiers. Most humidifiers may not offer a ton of versatility beyond high and low settings, but the LEVOIT LV600HH delivers all of the customization you'd need. It has both warm and cool mist settings, an auto mode with an accurate humidity sensor, an aroma diffuser box, adjustable light, plus a remote control and timer so you can set a schedule. This LEVOIT does have the same drawbacks as other ultrasonic humidifiers, namely that it has to sit on a table or shelf to prevent the mist from puddling on the floor.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.